In this video, I am going to show you how to play Spider-Man 2 on PC using a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure you have the game installed on your PC. You can purchase and download it from platforms like Steam or the Epic Games Store. Once the game is installed, launch Spider-Man 2. When you reach the main menu, check your settings to ensure that your input method is set to keyboard and mouse. You can usually find this option in the game settings menu under Controls or Input. Next, familiarize yourself with the default keyboard controls. Common keys include WASD for movement, the spacebar for jumping, and the mouse for aiming and camera control. You can also customize these controls to your preference in the settings menu. Once you've configured your controls, start a new game or continue from your saved file. Enjoy swinging through the city, completing missions, and engaging in combat using your keyboard and mouse. If you encounter any issues with controls, refer back to the settings to make any necessary adjustments. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.